Hello, learn a new language. Learn a new language and improve your memory. This language is spoken in Pakistan and India. Some words and some small phrases in Urdu. Where? Kahan? Now you say. Now we will say together. Good. Acha. Now you say. Now we will say together. Is. है. Now you say is. Now we will say together is. It. Ye. Now you say. Now we will say together. It. Good. Acha. Now you say. Now we will say together. Where is the phone? Phone. कहाँ है? Now you say. Now we will say together. Phone कहाँ है? It's good. ये अच्छा है. Now you say. Now we will say together. ये अच्छा है. I'm going to repeat now. Where? कहाँ? Good. अच्छा. Is. है. It. ये. Good. अच्छा. Where is the phone? Phone कहाँ है? It's good. ये अच्छा है. So please repeat it and memorize all the sentences. Thank you. And please subscribe my channel and share and like. Thank you very much. Bye.